Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is the second day of September and hello, Virgo season. I'm going to keep saying that. This is Virgo season. This is my birthday month and today I have for you a Brandon Blackwood haul. I am sweating already. Oh my goodness. Comment below the temperature in your area for today and yesterday. Oh my gosh. Off the charts. Heat wave city. Okay, so without all the rambling, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications and let's get straight into the Brandon Blackwood haul. I picked up a couple of pieces from Brandon Blackwood. You know this is a black, whatever, he's a black somebody. Where is my phone? In the middle of August, I received a text stating that the Kendricks collection would be launching. I immediately went on the website. I followed that damn link. Yes, I did. And then I purchased my bag. Let me share with you the bag that I purchased. I thought I was doing this really smooth. I don't know where my phone went. Inside the box, this is what you get. It says Brandon Blackwood, New York. And then once you open it, look at that. That's cute. That's nice. You receive your invoice, some Brandon Blackwood literature, and then you receive the Brandon Blackwood dust bag. So it says Brandon Blackwood, and then it also says New York. It is nice and cushiony inside. If you can't tell, this is molded seafoam or molded foam. Molded seafoam. So that protects the bag. So that's really nice. And then inside is my bag. So this is supposed to be limited edition or limited collection. And here we have it. Oh my goodness. So this is of course a trunk. This is Kendricks trunk collection. And it's launched on August the 12th. And I love it. It's gorgeous. I love me some animal print. So this cow print with pony hair is gorgeous. It has a silver hardware, which is gorgeous. And then we have a little hang tag. And then we have that bee right in front in silver. I don't know if you can see it. There is the bee right there. And all of this says Brandon Blackwood. It is like logo down. Everything. Oh, I love it. Now, let me get you the size and the price of this Brandon Blackwood bag. That's why I was looking at my phone. I was like, hello, I need my phone for I can give you the measurements. It's the Kendricks trunk. Cow print, pony hair with silver hardware. Original price $320, including tax and everything and shipping. $365.66. So that is my Brandon Blackwood cow print with pony hair. And I want to give you the size of the trunk. Let me see if I can go in and give you the size of the trunk. Right now I'm looking on the website. Okay, here we go. Now as I look on the website right now, it is in stock. And let me get you the measurements. It says item detail. The dimensions is 7.5 width times 6 inches high and 3 inches deep. The handle drop is 3 inches. The shoulder strap is 18 to 22 inches. This is a handbag, of course, a top handle, and then a crossbody. It says custom B buckle clasp fastening. It's hand sewn double stitch handle, adjustable detachable crossbody strap, dust bag included, and it is imported. The material is 100% hair on the cowhide. So, oh, and inside the lining is micro suede. So I didn't even get to show you the inside. So let me show you the inside. This is so cute. Look, just look. The thing about a printed handbag, I want to say an animal print handbag, but any type of printed handbag, it just elevates whatever that you have on, and that's what I like about it. This is so cute. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, let me see if I can open it, because I usually have issues opening things. Number one, I'm trying to not break my nails, so it's an easy opening. And then let's see, let me get all this stuff out. Now the opening to me is not that large, so you know, when you're that reach, it's like, okay, don't be trying to stuff the purse. Don't be trying to stuff the purse. No. So inside there is micro suede lining. I don't believe I will be able to show that to you, but it is there. Then it has a little tab in the back, and I think it says Brandon Blackwood. Now the tab is white. Let me see if I can show that. Maybe you can see a little bit of it right there. Okay, so that is it. The clasp was very, very easy. Let me take this little paper off. Oh yeah, it's so easy. On the B clasp, it also says Brandon Blackwood. Oh my goodness. I mean, the name is stamped all over. Now, let's see about this. Look here, I might have to wear this today. So this is how the crossbody strap comes, wrapped up nicely with this secure cloth tie. That's different. I've never seen anything like that. Wow. Okay, and then this is the crossbody. I'm short, so I know that it will fit. Okay, so I don't know if you will want to, but there is the crossbody with a cow print, and then you have the other side that is plain. So to give it a different look. Oh, it's cute. It's cute. Look at here. I might have to wear it today. I'm thinking I might have to wear it today. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Crossbody strap. I keep looking that way. Crossbody strap, top handle, pony hair trunk. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's so cute. Let me know what you think. Let me know. Comment below. What do you think about my cow print, pony hair, Brandon Blackwood bag? Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Shipping was, I guess it was okay. I don't remember. But it didn't take too long. Let me see if I can tell you if I look on my phone. Okay. Let's see. Let's go back to whatever I was looking. Oh no. Let's go back to my mail. So like I stated, the trunk sale, it says the private trunk sale dropped on August the 12th, and my bag was out for delivery on the 19th. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good shipping. That's what I think. It's pretty good shipping. So that was my recent Brandon Blackwood trunk purchase. let me share with you my earlier Brandon Blackwood purchase. This is a purchase that I purchased. This is a purchase that I purchased. I said that twice. I purchased this in the beginning of this year, and I never got around to filming, so I'm going to share it with you. I haven't worn it. I'm slipping. It is the Maya. It is the Maya. Okay, so I love furry, fuzzy, cow print, animal print things. I love blingy things. This little fur right here, I don't know if it's mink, but this says it all and does it all for me. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have two top handles. We have the gold tone hardware, and we have the mink to accessorize the bag. Oh, look at that. We have feet. Look at that. We have feet. Hold on. Oh, we have feet on that one too. Sorry. Now, this has a little, like a top closure, so no one can see what's inside your bag. You can't see what's inside your bag because, you know, the reach is very small. It's very, very small. Okay, inside they stuffed it. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then I have, this is very different. You probably can't really see it, but it's a cloth zip tie, and I have never seen something like that. And then, okay, so this is just a solid color, all brown, nice leather, just needs to be smoothed out. And I did not state that on this bag. This bag is so smooth. It is, and this, my little mink, it just perfectly sits. It's just out there like, whoop. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. I think I love it more than this one. Ooh, okay. So now I want to share with you this hair, mink, faux, whatever hair, it does not go all the way around. There is a stopping point in the back, but that's okay. That is okay with me. Oh, girl, with some fuzzy black stilettos. Okay, I can't wear stilettos anymore, but the highest heel that I can wear, that'll be a look. Oh my gosh, that will be a look. On this gold tone hardware, it does say Brandon Blackwood. I'm thinking that you can unzip it, but I am not going to do it. Oh my God. In the front of the purse, this just wraps. This wraps around. This is like a little cover to the purse. This is like, okay, I want to accessorize my purse, so I add a little fur to it. But you can unzip it and take it off. I'm not going to do that. No. We're going to keep it accessorized at all times. And then the stamping of the Brandon Blackwood New York is in gold. I love me some gold. Oh, ooh. This is so cute. Cute. Not a lot of room in there. I'm quite sure it's about the same dimensions as the previous trunk that I just showed you. Oh, okay. I am trying not to put my purses on the floor. I don't know if anybody is like that, but it's hot. I don't want any of my purses on the floor, like literally sitting on the floor. So I have to find a place without putting them on the floor. Comment below. Are you like that too? Okay, so I picked my brown Brandon Blackwood bag up at Saks Fifth Avenue. It was priced at $450, including tax. There was a total of $484.88, and it is called the Maya. I don't know what this little thing is. It says Brandon Blackwood. I mean, his name is all over. Oh, okay. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO, Brandon Blackwood. Okay. Okay, Brandon. All right, so that is my Brandon Blackwood haul. Let me know which one you like the most. Do you like the cow print with the pony hair? Or do you like the brown bag with its mink, its fur, its accessory that can be taken off or left on? And for me, it will be always left on. So remember, if you have not done your act of kindness today, please make sure you hit that like button, and that will be your act of kindness for today. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen. This is September the 2nd. It is my birthday month, and I am growing my channel one subscriber at a time. And hopefully, you will subscribe to my channel. Take care. Remember, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you. Yes, you. And you too. In my next video. Bye-bye. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.